Hey, happy person. Today I wanted to share more of a sentimental gift or decoration with you. I lost my grandpa almost 2 years ago, and I miss him so much. I kept a couple of his favorite shirts, and I just wanted to show you what I made out of them. I hope you enjoy. My grandpa was a super cool dude. He was super generous, loving, and he was digging ditches and yanking out trees and climbing ladders and caring for any cat that came into his yard until he was about 90 years old. He was the kind of guy who didn't drink, but he always had a couple of beers in the fridge so that when his gardener came over, he could offer him one and chat for a little while. He was the kind of guy who would randomly hand you money because diapers are expensive. He wasn't a super gushy guy, but I will never forget how loving he was and how unafraid of death he was. And I can't wait to walk down those streets of gold with him someday. So because of his love for cats, I thought this would be the perfect design to remember him, and I plan to make more for my family just to give out at Christmas time. As always, thank you for giving me a moment of your day, and thank you for letting me share a little bit about somebody who meant a lot to me. I hope you have a blessed one. Bye.